Today I'm going to show you the Old Norwegian cast on, which creates a really firm and neat and also stretchy cast on edge for your project. We start the same as with the long tail cast on. We come under the first loop on the thumb, under the second, coming back through the middle, and then we go around here and up through the loop that's created on the middle. So I'll do that again. Through the thumb loops and through the middle. Bring that around to the yarn over your finger and up through the middle again. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the button to like and subscribe.